Hello and welcome back. I'm Douglas and this is the Highland Hikers. So I'm out for a walk by myself today. I've come up to just past the Rest and Be Thankful, which is over in that direction. It's Wednesday today, it's actually my birthday, so I've taken a wee day off. Headed up to the Highlands and I'm going to bag a Corbett, given I've still got quite a few of them to do. So the walk today is going to be Ben Donich, which I'm in the car park for just now, and that's just over there to my left hand side. In terms of the route, I think it's about 7.5 kilometres and around 550 metres of ascent or thereabouts. So a pretty short wee day out. That was what I was looking for. Hopefully take somewhere in the region of 3.5 to 4 hours. As you can see, we've got an absolutely stunning day. We've got some great views around here. I think we can just about see the Cobbler behind us at the moment, but we should get better views when we go out and get a bit higher up. There's still roadworks taking place on the A83 at the moment. It's a convoy system with traffic lights at the moment, so it had been actual cars that were kind of convoying you up and down, but they've replaced that with traffic lights, so it's a bit freer flowing at the moment. They're not on the old military road anymore, but still you may get slowed down there. Obviously traffic not quite as busy today given it's a Wednesday, but I can imagine if this was like a Saturday or Sunday, it could be pretty busy getting up and down those roads, so something to watch out for. But yeah, I'm going to get on with the walk now, head up pretty quickly and see what sort of views we've got at the summit. So the route itself for Ben Donich is pretty straightforward actually. It's just an up and back down route. There's a well-made path pretty much the whole way up it. It sort of gets a bit faint in places, but on the whole there's a nice easy path to follow. In terms of where you park, you should be able to see the Rest and Be Thankful down in that direction. You don't want to park there itself. There's another car park a bit further along the road. So the road to Loch Goil head, you want to drive along that, and then there's a small car park just off to the left hand side, which gives you access to Ben Donich itself. So you should be able to see the summit of Ben Donich behind me just now, so not too much further to go. You'll see there's a couple of peaks there. It's not the first one, it's the second one a wee bit further beyond. Apparently, according to the route description, there's a wee scrambly descent between the two of them, so I'm interested to see what that's like when we get to it. Certainly in the conditions we've got today, it should be fairly straightforward. So I'm going to continue on and I should be there soon. That's the summit, just come into view now. You can hopefully see the wee trig pillar off in the distance behind us, so we are almost at the top now. Well, that's me at the top of Ben Donich now. We've got the trig pillar just behind us and we're at a height of 847 metres. And this is just my 8th Corbett, bought another one in the bag, so good going. That was a nice wee walk to get up to here, I have to say. It only took me about an hour and 15 minutes, but it was a short walk on a good path the whole way. And we've now got some really nice views when we come up to here. You can see down behind me, we've got a great view down towards Loch Goil head and along Loch Goil and out to the sea, which is really nice. And then behind me in this direction, in fact this direction over here, what you should be able to see is the Corbetts that I did last year of the Brack and Loch Goil. So I think that was back in early November, late October, around about then that I did those ones. That was a really nice walk that day. You might remember if you saw the video, we had the cloud inversion and the lochs were all covered in fog, so that was really cool. But as I say, it's been a nice wee walk to get up to here. I've enjoyed that. Might have a wee sit down and have a wee bite to eat before heading back down to the car. I'm just on my way back down to the car now. It's the same route back down as it was up, so I'm probably not going to shoot much footage on the way down, but I thought I'd just stop for a wee second because we've got some really fantastic views out behind me towards the sort of three main Arrochar Alps. You should probably be able to see the Cobbler, which is a Corbett, and then we've got the two Munros of Ben Narnain and Beinn, which is the tallest of them, just behind us. There are some really great walks to do as well, which you would do from the main car parks in Arrochar. When I passed them this morning, even for a Wednesday, they were still getting pretty full. So, you know, it's a nice day. Folk can get back on the hills again. So I guess everyone's just desperate to get out and, like me, maybe taking a day off or whatnot. But yeah, I'm going to continue on my way back down to the car. So I'll probably see you when I get down there. That was a really nice walk. Came in just under 3 hours. That's me back at the car park now. Absolutely lovely day. Really nice escape for my birthday, so quite enjoyed that. And it was a short one as well. Only about an hour and 20 minutes to get here. Obviously on the 3 hour walk, an hour and 20 to get home. So I left after dropping my son off at school this morning, and I'll be back in time for my birthday dinner. So all good, really. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, feel free to give it a like. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.